Hey, it's Pierre. So I'm gonna try out this Harrow replacement grip. Thanks to my friend Shad for sharing this with me. He was a fan of these Harrow replacement grips. So I just wanted to give you the look of this nice purple grip before I put it on a racket. I don't know which racket I'm gonna try it with, but I will give this a whirl. So we can find out how the Harrow replacement dip. So we can find out how the Harrow replacement grip does under extreme conditions. All right, thanks. Hey, it's Pierre. So I tried out this Harrow replacement grip for about 20 games or so, and I got some feedback for you. So first of all, when I put it on, you can't see it now, I guess you can actually, I cut off some of the grip, and just because I got to the top and had some extra, so I cut it off. But it ended up being a little thinner in my hand than I was expecting. So in retrospect, I would have wrapped it a little bit tighter just to try and get it a little thicker than it is. It's nice and soft, it feels good on your hand, and it's got a little bit of squish to it, and so it was comfortable. In terms of absorbency, it was only average, and for me that's a big priority, so I needed to eventually put an over grip on top of it in order to get better absorbency. So all in all, it was comfortable, and thanks again to Shad for giving me this grip to review for everybody. All right, thanks.